I am live again. I just had to wait till the phone charged up a little bit more. The fireworks are going to go off in about 10 minutes here. Just wanted I just had to get offline for a little bit, and I wasn't there. Another reason is I didn't want a long watch of the video, so I wasn't gonna. I didn't want to have it hours long, and I had to download it and then upload it. It'd take longer to upload it. See, I'm gonna go live here, and then I know how to download it on my phone, and I'm gonna upload it to YouTube. So that way I have my video, what I usually do. But I'll probably do something else probably before that, because it's gonna take a while to upload that one. Bing! Oh, we have the crotch rockets going off over here. Man, them things, they come off the bypass. And we have music in the background. So, but we only have... I'm sorry about hanging up on you guys earlier, but it happens. We're gonna go live here on Facebook. People who doesn't get the video, you'll get it now. Or you can't get here to the regatta, the 54th regatta of Lock Haven, but it's not a JC's anymore. This is the Regatta Foundation, which now runs this, and I'm over here behind the YMCA. I have not left this spot for over 2 hours now. I'm here, and they're here trying to throw rocks in the river. Yeah, they have music in the background. I mean, I can't wait till the fireworks go off, because I'm getting tired of seeing rocks being thrown down here. If you can look a little closer to the bridge, there's a bunch of pigeons on the bridge over there. They're over there squawking to each other. Oh, no, I'm just kidding. A bunch of people on the bridge. They're 3/4 of the way across the bridge now. The temperature dropped, but it feels like it's staying calm, and there is a slight breeze. So it should be good for the fireworks. I hope that it doesn't look like it's shooting down the fireworks. No, it looked like it's shooting a cloud today. And they did just shoot a warning shot off before I got back online. That's what I was waiting on. Even though its battery's gonna drain a little bit. I should have told my brother to give him my phone number. Alright, another boat coming in. Hey, I had to get offline earlier because my phone was draining a little bit. I just had to, but plus I didn't want to overextend the watch on this. I was trying to tell them that I'll be getting off and back on live, but I don't know how to get the other ones was on earlier. But they just had a warning shot. And that's what I'm waiting on, the fireworks now. Shooting off here at 10 o'clock, so we have 4 minutes. Hey, and I did. I had to shut down the phone for a little bit. No, I didn't want a long video to download and upload to YouTube, so that was pretty long. But we're about 4 minutes before the fireworks, and we have several boats down below. They did shoot a warning shot off. About 4 minutes before the fireworks. Yeah, I'm on live, you know. I'm going to show you real quick here. You can see them lights going across the river on the other side where they put that walkway. Kind of nice. Fireworks. Better hurry up there. Hey. That's a tough climb.
Come on, bud. Oh, there's way too many people. I'm gonna go home. Where's the fireworks?
But could you go over that way? I'm live right now.
Oh. Yeah.
The fireworks go off that way.
Yeah.
I don't want to hear some saltiness. Sorry, I had somebody climb up there and use the F word, so I didn't want to hear that on this. I hope you didn't mind that. I'm not telling them to get... Yeah, I had somebody climb up behind me, and then they started... Here they go. Perfect timing. They stopped the music, that's good. Ah, now we have the bell tone for 10 o'clock. Went off a little bit before 10. Yeah, get the tone, you get to hear the tone of the bell while the fireworks exploding. is. Uh-oh. Somebody threw a matey off the boat in the water. Probably think you'd get in trouble for doing that, but that's on the water. The only one who can do anything in the water would be the Game Commission, because it's federal water is federally owned. It's not owned by the city. State owned, I guess. Federally state owned. Got a bright light going through, and I have somebody smoking behind me or something. Nice and chilly tonight. So it's not moving there. I'm sharing it with everybody that wants to watch it. But you're welcome. switching hands. The other hand was getting cold. My hands I'm a little bit shivering. We have a loud car going across the bridge. Going quickly across the bridge. I guess that's it. So, hope you enjoyed it. Guys have, all I can say, guys have a good day.